Well, for the free fall problems, we need to gather up 3 objects that we can throw from each floor: the third floor, the second floor, and the first floor. In each floor, you need to throw your object 5 times at the same height in each floor. And you need to take the time that the object takes to reach the floor. So in our case, we chose socks, a marker, and some Kleenex. We weight them, and here we got the weight that is right here, and right here. And then for each object that we have, we need to take the data from the time, and you need to gather up all the data that you got for each floor, and then you need to take the average of each floor of each object. In this case, you add the 5 data that you have, and then you divide it into the number of data that you have. So we add here the 5 values that we have, and we divided them into the result. You divide it into 5, and that is how you get the average of each object on each floor. And you're gonna repeat the same process for each object on each floor. Here is the second floor data, and here is the first floor data. Our final velocity is gonna be 0, because it is when the object stops moving, and then the initial velocity is also gonna be 0, because you are letting fall the object from your hand. You are not throwing it. You aren't gonna put any force to the object. It's gonna be only gravity and the resistance that they can be in the day. And that is how you make a free fall problem. As you can see, it's very easy. You only need to gather up some data and take out the average of each object that you have, and that is all.